Here's an example of when you want to enter Davens 4 rules. So this is the 15-minute chart. Right now we're on the 5-minute chart, and you can see right here is where the trade was called, right here where price was closed outside of the band. However, you had your buy candle started to form here, and what happened is that the 15-minute chart wasn't yet set up. You would have had pullback here. So what happens is that once you have all perfect confirmation on the 5-minute chart, everything lined up here, as you can see. So you can see your buy candle started to form, your RSI was below 20 and pointing up, your blue signal line came over your red signal line and crossed up, and the same thing happened on your MACD. So at that point, you then move over to the 15-minute chart and you wait patiently for everything to line up. This is where you enter the trade right here. So you could have gotten in at 6-4. So you see what happens when the MACD just crossed? Now this is confirmation that it's going to go your way. Now it's going to continue to, everything is nicely pointing up. Your RSI is trying to turn, but look what happens when the MACD crosses on the 15-minute chart. And then when you're also a little tip too, another good confirmation is that once your RSI goes above 50, the strength is now with the buyers, okay? So I have on my phone a 50 level on my RSI, which is about right here. So you might have some potential drawdown, but you just wanna be patient, okay? And it will go your way. So this is, you can put it for a 5-pip take profit if you want. I usually will drop my stop loss right before the previous lower low. And I'll do, usually I'll do about a 10 to 15 pip stop loss, okay? I'm actually just watching the trade right now. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do a 5-pip take profit. So, and it's gonna stall a little bit. If you see that it has some hesitation or it starts to pull back a little bit, don't get scared. You just have to be really patient and just kind of let it do its thing. And then I'll go ahead and show you my screen really quickly. So let me just share my screen with you. I'm gonna stop share on this. And let me see if I can share my phone screen so that I can show you what the trade is doing. I'm on a demo account. So 1 second. Okay, so here you go, all right? And so this is about 2 pips right now. And then what you would do is you could enter through by market execution, or you could enter through a pending order, and all you would do is hold down on the trade. You would modify it. So if this is if you entered at 110.64, I just count 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. You modify it and you do a 5-pip take profit of 69. I would drop my stop loss right at about 54. So 110.54, right below the previous lower low. And that's how I do it, okay? And then I would just do, and then what you can do, see the power in twin trading, guys, when you enter more than one position is that you can enter different take profits for your position. So you could do like a 5-pip take profit on one, you could do a 10-pip take profit on the other as price continues to go your way. Or you can just say, you know what, I'm not gonna be greedy, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out with profit, and bam, there you are, you're done, okay? So I hope that this was helpful for you. We'll continue to do examples where you can see exactly how these strategies work.